Here's some marijuana legalization trivia. Subscribe. Which state first legalized recreational use? Is it A, Illinois, B, New York, C, Colorado, or D, Massachusetts? The correct answer is C, Colorado. In which year did Canada legalize cannabis? Is it A, 2017, B, 2015, C, 2016, or D, 2018? The correct answer is D, 2018. What is a common term for cannabis consumption events? Is it A, cannabis concert, B, weed symposium, C, hemp gathering, or D, cannabis festival? The correct answer is D, cannabis festival. What is the primary psychoactive compound in cannabis? Is it A, CBD, B, CBG, C, THC, or D, CBN? The correct answer is CHC. Which entity regulates cannabis in Canada? Is it A, Canadian Cannabis Agency, B, Health Canada, C, Public Health Ontario, or D, Ministry of Agriculture? The correct answer is B, Health Canada. Which city saw the first legal dispensary? Is it A, Seattle, B, Los Angeles, C, San Francisco, or D, Denver? The correct answer is C, San Francisco. What is the name of the U.S. act that prohibited marijuana? Is it A, Volstead Act, B, Cannabis Control Act, C, Drug Enforcement Act, or D, Marijuana Tax Act? The correct answer is D, Marijuana Tax Act. Which chemical compounds are beneficial in cannabis? Is it A, sugars, B, alkaloids, C, amino acids, or D, cannabinoids? The correct answer is D, cannabinoids. What do many states offer for cannabis entrepreneurs? Is it A, tax subsidies, B, grants, C, licensing, or D, free advertising? The correct answer is C, licensing. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.